Hey guys, so today we'll be learning about mitosis and meiosis and the process they go through.
So you might be wondering, what is mitosis and meiosis? Well, mitosis creates body part cells, divides once, and organisms grow by addition of cells. Now, what is meiosis? Meiosis is sexual reproduction. It divides twice and contributes to the variety of DNA. Meiosis is about sperm and egg cells, or in other words, gametes.
Mitosis and meiosis have to go through phases before they divide and start their function. Remember, mitosis occurs when you get hurt, cells begin to work to replace the skin. Meiosis is basically about the reproduction cycle. PMAT is used to show the steps of the cycle of cell division.
In mitosis, the cells are called skin cells, but in other words, they're called somatic cells.
In meiosis, they're called gametes, sperm and egg cells. This is a better visual on how diploid and haploid have to take place in the meiosis cycle. Your mom and your dad each have 46 chromosomes from their parents, and they give you 23 from the sperm and 23 eggs. And that makes a baby you, which is 46, so you have sperm and eggs to create you.
Just in case you don't know what haploid and diploid mean, here are the meanings. Haploid is a single cell of unpaired chromosomes. Diploid is two sets of chromosomes, one from each parent. Here's a visual on when mitosis cells can help take part. Here, let's say you have a scrape or cut in your knee. Mitosis cells help close this cut up and create new body cells in the same process.
PMAT is involved in both mitosis and meiosis. P is for prophase, M is for metaphase, A is for anaphase, and T is for telophase.
Let's start off with prophase, the first step. Chromosomes condense in this step. Microtubes form and nuclear envelope breaks down.
Here's prophase and mitosis cycle. This is the metaphase. It is the second step of the cycle. The chromosomes are pulled to the center of the cell and they line up along the metaphase plate. This is the metaphase plate and what happens in mitosis. Nucleus is not there anymore. They live on opposite sides of each other.
Here's what happens in metaphase in meiosis. They're still in homologous pairs, and they're in the middle and not in a single line as in mitosis.
This is the anaphase. It is the third step in the chromosomes. This is the anaphase. It is the third step when the centromeres divide. This is what happens in the mitosis cycle. The anaphase, the pink help spindles and move towards the centrioles.
This is what happens during meiosis. During the anaphase, chromosomes are not chromatids as you saw in mitosis. They are chromosomes still, and they're being pulled as a whole.
This is the telophase. It's the nuclear envelope forms around the chromosome. Chromosomes uncoil. Cytokinesis form daughter cells. Cleavage, phero, and cytokinesis and telophase. This is the telophase cycle in the mitosis cell. At opposite complete sides and nuclei starting to form make two new cells identical.
This is what happens in telophase and meiosis. Nuclei is forming to create two new cells, as you can see right here. One cell and the second cell.
This is just an image of cytokinesis in the mitosis cells.
What happens here is in cytokinesis is that they split to make two new cells in mitosis. The same thing happens during cytokinesis. It splits to make 2 new cells.
This is prophase 2.
During this phase, chromosomes are condensing.
This is metaphase 2.
During this, the chromosomes are in a straight line.
90% is actually the interphase and 10% is only mitosis.
That's all for today, guys.